Did you see the like post of him like as a girl? He looked like freaking Nicki Minaj.
Good morning, Project Dads. I'm joining you right now from beautiful Pamlico River here in North Carolina, and we're at my in-laws' house. And today, you would think we'd be out here for, to have like a vacation or something like that. But we come out here, usually I have things to do. I've already fixed a couple little things around the house this morning, and a little bit later today, I need to winterize that boat. Probably gonna get that done real quick, and then go up to the shop, cut some wood. And my son has been asking me for some money, of course, for a video game, and to earn that money, he's gonna help me out today. So follow along. We're gonna do just a few little projects right now. It's by the door. Oh, it is cold. All right, guys, this is my son, Austin. Say hi, Austin. Wait, where'd you go? He's the one in the shadows. You probably saw him last in the Cube video. That's been about a year, and since then he has broken his ankle, and he's almost healed up now. And I'm gonna teach him how to winterize the boat so that he can do this for his grandparents one day, or for me, because I don't want to do it anymore. Yeah. Uh-huh.
We were trying to get my favorite pet magnet.
All right, lower the boat. Do you think you can get your knee up there, your good knee or bad knee or whatever? There you go. Now I can hand you the tools.
I need to unplug the boat.
Alright, the boat is winterized until springtime. Hopefully it'll be up here as long as there's no hurricanes. We just got to put all this junk away now. Are you stuck? Okay, the boat is winterized now. It's on to project number, 4 for the morning. My father-in-law's Ford Excursion's radio has finally messed up and it's time to upgrade. And so my son's gonna help me do this too. I'm waiting for him to come pick me up on the golf cart. And hopefully this won't be too much of a pain. This is my father-in-law's 2003 or 2004 Excursion with a 6-liter diesel. We take it all over the place. It's got the fully integrated sound system with the DVD player, and it has finally quit doing like we want to. Austin is going to help me install this new system. Are you ready? He's holding the Ford removal tools for the factory radio. Austin, those go, and there's 2 holes on either side of the radio, and you put 1 tool in each hole.
Like that?
Yeah, 1 in there, and you squeeze it to no. There you go.
Oh gosh.
You can do this. Now push it in. There, and now do the other one.
This one's probably easier. It's not stretched out as far.
The windshield's covered because they just had to get a new windshield. It broke on our last trip. All right, did it click in?
Mm-hmm.
Now put your fingers in the hoops and wiggle and pull. Oh, you pulled too hard. So next time I want you to push up, and you're gonna have to just kind of wiggle and pull a little bit. Go ahead, push it all the way until it's okay. That was just the eject button. If it starts spitting discs out. Alright. You're gonna have to pull even, just wiggle. Is one side coming out?
Yeah.
Alright, well then work on the other side. You might need to put pressure up or down if you squeeze like a plier. Alright, well I'm going to help him with this. Looks like he shopped at Crutchfield and got a JVC with Apple CarPlay, and it has the DVD player built into it. He got the kit, the wiring harness, a Maestro something or other because it's got steering wheel controls. The only thing that we're going to have to figure out is how to send the signal back to the DVD, not the DVD player, but the LCD screen, and eliminate the DVD player back there. So we're going to get this done. As you can see, it's dark outside. This is the stack of wood I'm supposed to be planing for my friend, but I'm still working on getting the radio put in this thing. Had a few more things today that happened that I'm glad didn't make it on the video, but this is coming along. I just got to button this up real quick. Had to cut a hole in the dash, had to figure out some accessory wiring, but this will be done soon. It's just a big mess. Alright, looks like I'm about to button this up for tonight, besides cleaning all the trash that's left in the vehicle. The radio is not pushed in yet because we still have an auxiliary cord to plug into the back. He wants to keep using his satellite radio through this unit, and we're going to just plug it into the back to the auxiliary. I've got it drilled and brought out for the cord for Apple CarPlay here. I had to integrate the controls here on the steering wheel, and we still haven't figured out the rear DVD situation yet, but we're not worrying about that right now. So the reason I'm not pushing it in is because for some reason they made these so that when you push them in, you cannot get them out unless you disassemble the whole dashboard. But it looks like it's a pretty decent unit. I used to use JVC, and I'll probably end up getting one of these myself. Pretty nice little unit. I don't need all the integration that the Excursion has, but the warm-up time is. So there we go. But I like it, and hopefully I have a little bit of time left to plane some wood in the shop But right now, I gotta do the most important part. I'll let you enjoy it with me. Yes. All right, so it's 8:15 p.m. I've closed the shop door and I've got 6 pieces of wood to try to plane an edge, and they're warped. It is pecan wood that's been drying out for over 30 years. I might put this thing through its paces. Every time I use this planer, I realize that I'm not qualified to use this planer, so this is not a how-to. This is probably a how not to. So you can watch me struggle with this and see if I can do anything with this old wood. Alright guys, as you just saw, I planed a whole lot of wood. The before, very rough, very rough wood. The after, well, almost after, very smooth. Turned out to be really good, but it is hard working with pecan. I might have said walnut earlier, but anyway, very old, very dry pecan. Took a long time to plane. I still have some work left to do on these pieces that I was planing. This one was just too bad to even start, so we'll have to use that for something else. Anyway, I hope my neighbor can use this to make something really beautiful, and I hope you're not too upset about, about the video today, because usually I like to do how-tos. This was just more of a what did I do? I came here planning to get a few things done around the house to help out, and then come out here and actually get some of my own pecan and make the planks to go in the bed of the truck that I'm building. But, life happens. That excursion was not on the list, and that took longer than expected. But I had a really good day. Got to spend some time with my son. Got to do a lot of things. He's listening. He's picking up on things. And, I hope that one day he wants to be working on his own projects even more than he already does. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And if you've watched this far, please give me a little bit of support. I'd like give me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully the upcoming videos will be a little bit better than this one. All right, thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.